to spot a very unique bird. When I ask people, which is the national bird of India? Everyone knows the answer. But if I ask, which is the state bird of Jharkhand? Many people don't know what to answer. The state bird of Jharkhand is very clever and has a very melodious voice. We can hear it singing every morning and evening in the towns and jungles as well. The female bird is very different from the male bird in shape, body, color and voice. It is very shy and can hardly be seen. Today, we'll find the state bird of Jharkhand. It is always ladies first, so we'll find the female one first and then the male. See there, Samuel uncle is also ready with his camera to take long range photographs and videos. There we see the female bird. It's a very shy but a very clever bird. It lays its eggs in the nest of other hosts, especially the crows, and stays away from responsibility. See here, it can be seen very clearly. Let's go and search for the male now. And there we see the male. This is the state bird of Jharkhand. I'm sure everyone recognizes this bird and has seen it a number of times in towns and jungles. It's called the Asian Koel. Listen to its melodious voice and then we'll talk about the bird. There are two rivers in Jharkhand that have the same name, North Koel and South Koel. The bird is called Cuckoo in English. The males usually distract the host from its nest so that the female koel can lay its eggs there. See, the two koels are fighting now. Their voice is melodious even when they're fighting. The Asian Koel is omnivorous, consuming insects and fruits as well. The word koel originated from the Sanskrit word kokila, which means nightingale. It is held in high regard for its pleasant singing and is also mentioned in the Vedas. It is also a state bird of Indian Union Territory of Puducherry. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye from Pravya. Catch you next week.